You are welcome back to Master Barber's Hotel. You are welcome. If you are new to my film, this is the first time you are watching my film. This film you are watching, you will see under it, you will see subscribe. Use your finger to press it. You will see the notification bell beside. Press the notification bell for you to be seeing my new notification as soon as I release my new video into my YouTube channel. Thank you. Yeah, I want to show you how you can make provision for extra blade. That is spare set of clipper blade for your clipper engine. Yeah, this is your engine you are using. This is the engine you are using. As a barber, as a professional barber, as a learner, as a stylist, you're supposed to have at least a set of extra blade for this clipper. A set, at least a set. This one is the one that follow the clipper comb. This is follow comb clipper blade. This you see this is a set up and down clipper blade, cutting and combing blade. Yeah, now you are using it and unexpectedly the clipper blade just dull and you are at work, you are in action, so you are unable to use it again. So you have to remove the two bolts. Then you remove the set of clipper blade out. You now replace it immediately with a set of extra clipper blades, so that you will be using that one to complete the work you are doing. Then the one you removed, you now resharpen it again. Either if you know how to sharpen it by yourself, you sharpen it, and at the same time if you don't know how to sharpen it, yeah, you take it on an expert. And this is an opportunity to tell you again that if you want to sharpen your clipper blade, if you are living at Hotel Jazz, a local government, Kwara State, Nigeria, West Africa, Africa, the world, that is where my shop is located. Hotel near Central Mosque, Old Road, Ilorin, Ogbomoso, Old Road. I'm not talking about Express. Old Road. I'm at Old Road beside Hotel Central Mosque. Yeah, you carry your different type of clipper blades, come, I will sharpen it for you. I'm using free hand in sharpening, and at the same time I am using sharper to sharpen. Let me show you my sharper. Can you see it? Let me show you the stone I'm using. Can you see it? So that is why I am telling you that I'm a professional in sharpening of the different type of clipper blade and the stone. If you want to learn again, I can teach you how to make use of the stone to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally, logically, technically, correctly. Okay, yeah, let us go into the field now, and I will show you how you can change the default clipper blade, a set of the default clipper blade, into an extra blade. Yeah, let's go now. This is how to make extra blade for your cordless clipper. Yeah, if you have a cordless clipper and come with only one blade, you have to find another spare blade for your clipper blade. So in case you are using this one and the work is not getting fine again, you can remove it, then you replace it with another one. Now I want to show you how you can make the changes. You see the first one I'm using? Now you see it. I want to clean the inside. So this one is still working. It's still working. So you will not wait until the first one is quenched before you can make provision for another extra blade for your clipper. That is where most barbers, stylists, proprietor used to make a mistake. Don't wait until your clipper blade is dull or it's not working again before you can make provision for another extra blade. So you see this one now is still working, and at the same time, as a barber engineer, I can still resharpen it. Though it's still working now, it's still working for now. So let me put this one down. Then this is the one I want to use the extra blade. Can you see it? So let me test it. Let me test it. Let me test it with ordinary hand whether the clipper blade is working fine. Let us open and see it inside. Yeah. So let me mount it on the mouse. I want to set the mouth very well. I want to serugap it. I want to serugap it. Let me switch it on. Let me serugap it very well so that it can do total scraping, patterns, trimming, and complete shaving. Put the oil. So when you first fix your clipper blade, you apply the treatment in the mouth. After the application of the treatment, you now on it down for some period of time. So you put it 100% gap, you serugap it, 100% gap, you serugap it, so that the inner surface of the hopper and the bottom clipper blade can agree together, can really align together. Yeah, so that they can match. So you allow it to run between a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, even 4 minutes, so that they will agree together totally. This is what I mean by serugap. I've carried the blade up, finished. Then when you look at the mouth like this now, look at the mouth, you can see that the mouth is rhymed together. So let me switch it off. Look at this. I've carried the lever, adjuster lever up. Then can you see the mouth? The mouth is rhymed together. Then when you bring adjuster lever down, finish. This is 100% gap. When you look at the mouth here, you see the spacing between the upper and the bottom clipper blade. Can you see it? So when you put it at half, this is half, this is 50% gap. Can you see it? This is 50% gap. Can you see it? So this is zero gap, this is 100% gap, zero gap, 100% gap. So let me come with the hair now and test. So I will now test with mass of air. So when I test, that will show me whether the clipper blade I want to use an extra blade, it's still working fine or it's not working fine. So I will switch it on. Can you see? I've switched it on now. So, and you see the way the clipper blade is working, the clipper is working. You see, I've adjusted it. Now I'll put it under, I'll zero gap it. You see the mouth now, the mouth is right. I will now use it to cut. Can you see? You see? So I now bring it down a little. I will test again. You can see it. I now still bring it down a little. You see that it's working. Then I will now bring it down, finish. That's 100% gap. You can see it like this. You can see it like this now. So the clipper blade is working fine. Let me switch it off. Then let me clean it. You see it? You see it is working fine. It's working fine. It's working fine. Then I will now remove this blade again. This is an extra blade. This is an extra blade for this clipper. It's an extra blade. So I will now, I've tested it now. It's working fine. I will now remove it and put the fourth one there, the one that follow the clipper come. I will now put it there. So let me put this one down. Don't forget, this is the sachet. I will now use that setting. This is a lugab. You carry it off, finish. Then you let the mouth run together. Then when you bring it down, this is 100% gap. You see how the mouth is. This is 50% gap. You see how the mouth is. This is 100%. You see like that. So before you start it, you now put the treatment in the mouth. You put little treatment in the mouth. You put it at the back here. You put it at the back here. You now switch it on. You have to understand what I'm trying to say. You now on the gap, zero gap, on the gap, zero gap. You make it like this about 10 times. Yeah, you make it like that about 10 times. You carry it all zero gap on the gap, zero gap, so that the mouth, the inner surface of the upper clipper blade and the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade will rhyme together, will agree together totally. Yeah, they will agree together, they will attach with each other, and they will work fine. That is the meaning of what I'm doing. You see it now. You see it's working fine now. So this is the original clipper blade that come with the clipper. Now let me test this one too. The one in the mouth of the clipper, the one I'm using. That one I've just tested, finished now, is an extra blade. You see I've zero gap it now. I want to test it. Can you see it? You see like that? So I put it down a little. You see it? You see, I put it down a little again. It's working fine now. This is 100% gap. I put it down, finished. You see, it's working fine. Can you see it now? It's working fine like this. That is how to prepare your clipper blade, the original one and the one you use an spear or extra blade for your clipper. That is what a professional barber is supposed to do, because when you are using this one and there is a error or there is fault or the blades just quench unexpectedly, you can be able to remove this one. You replace it with the spear one, with the spear set of clipper blades. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'll still be coming back with another valuable tutorial after this one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, Please subscribe to my channel now. Master Baba Sote, this film you are watching, look under by the right hand side. You see where they write SUBSCRIBE, subscribe in capital letter. Use your finger to press, then try to press the notification bell so that as soon as I release my new video into my YouTube channel, you will be the number one to be seeing my video. Thank you. And go back to my old films and watch them. If you really want to learn how to sharpen clipper blade very well, how to make use of the super hard manner sharpening stone in sharpening, so try to subscribe to my two channels, Master Baba's Hotel, Master Baba's Comedy TV. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.